Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Telegram and going straight to Settings. Once there, choose Privacy and Security and then Active Sessions. This is where all signed-in devices are listed. You do this to see device names, locations, and last active times so you can identify unfamiliar access. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you can approve prompts. If you use desktop, keep it running briefly so the list updates. Now locate the session you want to remove to proceed. You should inspect each session carefully. Note the device type, approximate location, and last seen time because similar names can hide different devices. Once you tap a session, Telegram shows IP info and whether it's a web or mobile login. This helps decide if it's unauthorized. If a session looks unfamiliar, don't panic, select it for removal. Make sure you do not delete the session marked as your current device, because that would log you out immediately and interrupt the flow. You now terminate access by tapping Log Out for the unwanted session and confirming. This severs that device's connection. If multiple entries are suspicious, use Terminate all other sessions to cut them off quickly, then change your password or enable two-step verification to prevent re-entry. Once done, make sure to review active sessions again to confirm removal. Troubleshooting tip: if a session reappears, immediately enable two-step verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.